어디 가요?
민속촌 깔고요.
예.
I brought my proper camera. I'm sure it's up to me.
Oh, you did?
It's like 6 buses. 7.
Like me filming me taking
I'm so happy with this bus.
나도 사람이 아무도 없어.
네, 사람들이 없어요.
사람들이 없어요.
It would be really funny to dress him up like as like a unit.
What?
What?
와. 귀여워.
Action.
와. 와.
They have the sit down toilet here, the squat toilet.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna cry.
I love the music.
So welcoming, right?
It really feels like you're in a dream. Hide in those.
Yeah. Oh, the sounds. Good job.
Hiding! It's like I can almost.
Wow.
Yeah.
The view is amazing.
See it?
What do you like?
It's like this, like they like standing up. I think.
주리를 드는 줄리안.
Stop.
Do you want to try?
I don't know, kinda. Do you want to try?
I mean, yeah.
What? No! Julian! Go home! Ah! Me?
What's wrong with me?
Can you take a video? Yeah, I'm just gonna shoot this. And just go there!
맛있어?
Yeah. Should I put this in here?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Like everything?
The rice is really good. Sambal Jenny.
Or the salve thing.
Yes, please.
Oh, I think that's too much.
No. It's really not salty, and I really like salty soup.
Okay.
Fish just served.
No, I really like it.
In 1 hour, he got 3 nicknames. That's actually insane.
Saltman.
Saltman, Mapman,
Madman, Al Cappuccino. So if anytime you're gonna try to call me Sarashi, like in the streets, I'm gonna scream like, Al Cappuccino! You're gonna have to turn around and respond.
If you said that I need to buy cappuccino somewhere, that's my curse. So 저는 El Cappuccino입니다. 저는 Saltman입니다. 저는 Mapman. Silver has a
Silver at the Mapman.
Oh yeah, it's just like, Mapman. No, but she always does that. She sings the song to get it out of the
I
bag.
don't know the Dutch version though. It's like op de kaart, op de kaart, op de kaart.
할 수 있어. 장작 패기.
Try.
You should try.
Yeah.
Let's all try.
Yeah. I don't want.
Okay.
So don't stand here because I might lose it.
Yeah.
No, I will miss it.
It's really heavy, right? Ooh.
Oh, that was close.
Ah. Ooh, good job. Sarah.
Oh, okay. Oh god. Yeah. Which hand do you hold it with? You hold it like this?
Yeah.
Can it both?
Whoa.
Like a Viking.
Viking, yes.
Where are you from?
Sweden.
Sweden.
Oh, really? So you get strong.
Hiking.
Yeah, they are very strong. Okay.
All right.
Try it.
했어요. 네.
했어요.
How many times?
4 times.
4 times?
Yeah.
Are you quick?
First time I missed it.
This it?
Yeah. Like the thing was there and I was like,
I think you wear glasses better.
yeah.
I have to be the one that tries to do it. Yeah.
Oh, 한 방에. Do you like fishing?
No.
추워서.
아 추워서.
추워서.
피 안 탈 것 같은데?
추워요. 추워해요.
아, 네. 거기 더 춥잖아. 아니요?
괜찮아요.
아, You speak Korean?
조금.
아, 그렇구나.
네. 또 재밌는 거 없어요?
여기 스포츠 있어, 말 탈 수 있어.
아.
근데 저거는 돈 내야 되니까.
네. 돈 안 내고 재밌게 즐길 수
돈
있는
안
거.
내고 재밌는 거. 일단 제일 만만한 게 저기서 활을 쏘죠.
활이요?
네.
활
활이랑
쐈어요.
활 쏘셨다고?
네.
그러면 입장권으로 오셨어?
네.
입장권. 돈 안 내고 할 만한 게 지금 가면 재밌을 거예요.
감사합니다.
My man Kim So-young, he designed this for me. And he's really good at the Feng Shui because, you know, his grandfather came from China. And he studied Feng Shui as well. This is where my goldfishes live. This little shrine.
It's frozen.
Yeah, so that like usually they live here.